Hi everyone, I'm Ehab Syed, founder and director of innovation at Biohm. We're living through a very interesting time, where for the first time in modern history, the world as we know it has come to a standstill, and we found ourselves in our homes reflecting on the ecosystems we've created, reassessing our habits, consumption and choices, and collectively questioning the economic landscape we've built. The pandemic has revealed multiple flaws in our current systems and made it clearer than ever that our capitalist economies are simply not working. Most importantly, they're not working for the majority of the world's population. We look around us and we see that we have contributed to a planet in pain, characterized by the indelible scars we've left upon the geology of the Earth, as well as the onset of the sixth great extinction. We are now extracting over 100 billion tons of virgin resources from the Earth every year, at 3 times the rate that they can be naturally replenished. At least 40% of that goes into the construction industry, one of the largest contributors to the climate crisis we're in. In nature, everything's in constant flow, constant circulation, with outputs from one process becoming the inputs for others. Left to its own devices, nature manages resources in a highly efficient and balanced manner, working towards achieving equilibrium in all ecosystems. And that is exactly what we do at Biohm, a research and development-led company that allows nature to lead innovation, to revolutionize construction and the way we do business. We achieve this through our bio-based materials, construction systems, and a range of services. Our materials include ORB, or Organic Refuse Biocompound, which is a 100% natural sheet material made out of food or agricultural waste, mixed with a completely natural binder that we have developed. It can be used as a natural alternative to toxic formaldehyde-based sheet materials commonly used in construction. ORB is also being developed into a plant-based concrete, which will be a real game changer. We also work with one of the most wondrous organisms in nature, Mycelium, which is the root structure of mushrooms. We grow our mycelium into building insulation panels that are currently outperforming almost every other insulation product on the market. We develop and evolve all of our own strains of mycelium, which means that we can train them to consume different waste streams as they grow and naturally and non-intrusively encourage desirable properties in the final material. We have even developed mycelium strains that can consume plastic. All of our materials will eventually be combined to form the components of our construction system, Triagomy, inspired by the way carbon molecules bond to one another, allowing buildings to be deconstructed at any stage of their life, and championing the transition towards agile infrastructure that responds to our changing needs. We are currently setting up the world's first community-led biomanufacturing facilities, which offer a 50% profit share on all materials sold to regenerate local communities and economies. With invitations from around the globe to create more facilities as carbon sinks and catalysts for local regeneration, we're rapidly scaling up. We're engaged with the world's top universities, the world's largest multinationals, and some of the world's most prominent governments, bringing together academia, industry, community, and government to symbiotically lead a step change in the way we produce, consume, trade, and the way we run our economies. It's time for a new economy that is governed by nature and driven by human needs. It's time for all of us to come together and secure the future of our planet, the future of home.